When I was an apprentice, my employer invested in me, and I have a passion for helping businesses invest in their own employees the same way. I'm Makeba Priester, and I am the Regional Program Manager for AJAC for the Central Washington region. So I was working in the manufacturing industry. I worked for about 2 years. I did the Industrial Manufacturing Technician Apprenticeship. So my employer invested in me, and I was successful in the program. I really enjoyed it. And that transitioned to me working with AJAC eventually. I really have a passion for helping businesses and employees level up in their skills and level up the workplace as well. It's really awesome to see people be able to skill up, and I learned a lot when I was an apprentice, and I enjoyed having new skills. And then the classes, they just reinforce what you're learning in the workplace. So I got to take all of the things that I was learning on the job, and then I was in the class seeing those on paper and demonstrated in the workbooks, and it came full circle for me. And so I really enjoy watching people learn and grow in the process as well. We help manufacturers in a couple different ways. We have a really great shop that has a manufacturing academy, and so that helps train workers for 10 weeks with free training, and they get certifications so that they can work in the manufacturing industry. We also have youth apprenticeships, so if you want to train a really highly skilled youth, and it's an opportunity to be a mentor and to actually work with young people who are really excited to learn. And we also have our adult apprenticeship. So not only does that skill up your workforce, but it also brings retention to the workforce. So employees have a reason to stay because they're getting a lot of benefits with apprenticeship. We work with over 300 companies that are invested in their workforce. I hope I get an opportunity to work with you as well.